This trip was very fun. There's no need to be like scared or anything because I was really scared at first too. Once you stay here for a couple of days, it starts to feel okay and feel warm, and that there's always someone you can talk to. When we were in the desert, it was really tiring and hot, but I had lots of fun since I was with my friends and we was like talking along the way, and we were all distracted by how hard it was, so it was really fun. After hiking, we went to go plant trees in more of like the top of the desert. We planted these trees and we worked in teams together, and most of us planted like 6. And it was fun planting the trees since most of us knew it was for a good cause.
When you dig a hole, take the stick out.
The grasslands was very different to like the desert because there was more grass. There was like more animals over there. It's an interesting culture. We did wrestling and tried on the traditional clothing, which looked very different to the clothing we wear in like Shanghai. All my friends and teachers also cheered me along the way, especially in hiking in the desert. They told me that I couldn't give up, and I had lots of fun.